In previous episodes, we reviewed papers discussing the theory of general relativity and the most significant papers exploring quantum mechanics and its implications. In this episode, we delve into the fascinating world of quantum biology. We'll explore how the strange and seemingly incompatible realms of quantum mechanics and living organisms are more intertwined than previously thought. The episode introduces the idea that coherent quantum processes, typically observed only in tightly controlled laboratory environments, may be more widespread in the natural world than initially believed. In 2010, the article Long-Lived Quantum Coherence in Photosynthetic in the journal PNAS explores the role of quantum mechanics in photosynthesis, a process used by plants and bacteria to convert sunlight into energy. Researchers focused on photosynthetic antenna complexes, which capture sunlight and transfer the energy to a reaction center. They discovered that quantum coherence, a phenomenon where particles behave like waves, helps energy move efficiently through the plant. Using a special type of antenna complex called Fenner-Matthews-Olson, FMO, found in certain bacteria, scientists observed these quantum effects at both supercold and room temperatures. The protein surrounding the energy particles in the FMO complex acts as a shield, allowing the quantum wave-like energy transfer to persist even at warmer temperatures. This quantum process could explain the incredible efficiency of photosynthesis and suggest that nature has harnessed quantum mechanics for biological processes. Moving on to the world of insects, in the 2011 PNAS article, Molecular Vibration Sensing Component in Drosophila, scientists challenged the traditional notion that smell perception relies solely on molecular shape. They replaced hydrogen atoms in odor molecules with deuterium, a heavier hydrogen isotope, and found that flies could distinguish between normal and deuterated versions of the same odor. Furthermore, flies trained to avoid a specific deuterated compound also avoided other deuterated compounds, suggesting that flies may detect quantum molecular vibrations in addition to shape. This research has implications for understanding how other animals, including humans, perceive odors, potentially utilizing a quantum effect. In the article, The Quantum Needle of the Avian Magnetic Compass, published in PNAS in 2016, researchers uncovered the quantum mechanical mechanism behind the incredible precision of migratory birds' magnetic compass. Using computer simulations, they found that the cryptochrome proteins in birds' eyes create radical pairs of molecules with unpaired electrons, which can remain quantum entangled for microseconds. This quantum entanglement leads to a sharp spike in the bird's ability to detect the Earth's magnetic field direction, thanks to avoided crossings in the quantum energy levels of these radical pairs. This finding highlights the significant role of quantum mechanics in biological systems. In the article, Ultraviolet Superradiance from Meganetworks of Tryptophan in Biological Architectures, published in 2024 in the Journal of Physical Chemistry, discoveries have revealed that microtubules, the tiny hollow tubes made of protein subunits called tubulin, are not merely simple scaffolding inside cells, but also exhibit quantum effects. These effects are due to the presence of tryptophan, an amino acid that can absorb and emit light, especially ultraviolet, UV light. When many tryptophan molecules are organized close together in microtubules, they can interact collectively through a quantum phenomenon called superradiance, resulting in a burst of light that is much more intense than the sum of what each molecule would emit on its own. Experiments have confirmed this enhanced fluorescence in microtubules, aligning with the idea that superradiance is occurring due to quantum effects among the tryptophan networks. This discovery has implications for understanding how cells efficiently manage energy and signal internally, and it may contribute to better understanding diseases that involve microtubules. In the article, Experimental Indications of Non-Classical Brain Functions, published in 2022 in the Journal of Physics Communication, the authors explore the hypothesis that quantum effects may occur within the brain. The study claims to have identified signs of non-classical brain functions. By non-classical, the researchers refer to mechanisms that seemingly necessitate the principles of quantum physics to be fully comprehended. The research team conducted magnetic resonance imaging on human brains in search of quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement occurs when two particles, such as a pair of atoms, remain interconnected in the quantum dimensions even when separated by great distances in spacetime. The researchers managed to place atoms in an entangled quantum state, enabling them to potentially interact with other elements of the brain. According to them, if entanglement were indeed the only possible explanation, it would imply that brain processes are interacting with the core of atoms in a quantum manner. Consequently, it suggests that some brain functions could inherently be quantum in nature. Furthermore, the entanglement signals diminished as participants fell asleep, and the lag in the time it took for people to awaken was reflected in the entangled states. This link between awareness and entanglement suggests that quantum physics might play a role in consciousness. In conclusion, the field of quantum biology is rapidly evolving, with new discoveries shedding light on the role of quantum mechanics in various biological processes. From photosynthesis and bird navigation to insect olfaction and the inner workings of cells, quantum effects appear to be more prevalent in the natural world than we once thought. As research continues, we may uncover even more fascinating connections between the quantum realm and the living world around us.